Hello, I know a lot of people absolutely adore the compact because of its, well, compact nature.
On the back side you get the corkscrew and the multi-purpose hook with a little file on it. You get the toothpick, the pen and the tweezers. You get the main blade and the excellent scissors.
And the other tool that you get on the compact and other models is this little combo tool. I've said this dozens of times in my other videos. Combo tool's a good idea in theory, but not so good in practice because it's a bit flimsy and not as effective as a separate opener layer tools. But it saves a ton of space. This just slots behind the main blade there, saves an extra layer on there, and keeping knives like the Waiter and the compact really slim and light. And while it's not the sturdiest tool, it is useful still, and it's certainly better than having nothing there. But one of the things I find so frustrating is that it's rubbish as a screwdriver. It's too thin to be able to apply any torque really on slotted screws, and as a Phillips it's just awful. So I was looking at ways that that can be got over. Obviously one of those ways is to carry a Swiss Army knife that does have the separate opener tools, which are much better as screwdrivers. And got another compact here, and one of the add-ons that you can get is this Victorinox Quattro screwdriver, which has two slotted screwdrivers and two little flat Phillips screwdrivers on there. This works in a pinch, just about. It's okay. Can't get a ton of torque on it, but these make better Phillips drivers than does the tip of the combo tool there. But I wondered if there was anything more effective. So from Temu, I bought one of these double-ended stainless steel. It's basically a double-ended screwdriver bit with a hole in the middle, and I've whacked it on a little titanium shackle here, also off Temu. When I first got this little gadget, I just had it on like a round split ring. I just threaded it through the keyring attachment on the knife there. But that wasn't great because the split ring just bends. You couldn't really provide much torque to speak of at all really. So I put this little shackle on, and this really works quite well. Just big enough to fit the screwdriver bit, double-ended bit in there. Need a flathead. Nice one, got it. Need a Phillips, and Phillips are by far the most common screws I come across. Well, you've got a little Phillips driver there, and because of the shape and the sturdiness of this little shackle, you can provide quite a lot of torque on there. That works quite well. It's not fantastic. It's nowhere near as good as a dedicated screwdriver. It's still quite small, and I do find that the little 3mm driver on the tip of the can opener or this package opener tool, this works better as a Phillips driver because you've got more purchase on the tool there. You can provide more torque and more pressure. But if you like carrying a compact or a Waiter or something and you're missing screwdrivers, this does work okay. Just wanted to show you it really. What do you reckon? Not a bad little addition, I don't think. I've just gone back online. I bought these quite a while ago. These little screwdriver bits are currently 86p on Temu. And the little titanium shackle, the small size one, 2cm by 2.5cm, that was £3.50. Just wanted to see what you think of that really. Somewhat gets over the frustration of not having a decent screwdriver on your Swiss Army knives that are equipped with the flimsy little combo tool. What do you reckon to that one? Thanks for having a look, and I hope you're having a great day. See you later.